Hello, Driving Intelligence community. Excuse my summer cold voice, but I wanted to get another video out. I'm trying to repair what's in pieces here. My old Craftsman drill. It's from the early 1980s. It just stopped working, and unfortunately you can't buy parts for this anymore. I've checked. It's been obsoleted, and it turns out that the big problem is this switch, and you can see I've tried to fix this before. But I'm going to dig into this again and see if I can't resolve the problem without having to chuck this thing or sell it for parts. The drill has a 4-prong switch. Squeezing the trigger actually provides continuity to both sides of the cord, not just one side. So what I did is I took my meter. I'm going to check resistance, and I've checked one side of the plug to one of the brush kits. I'm going to pull the trigger and see what happens. Okay, that side works, no problem. I'm going to switch sides on the meter and see if it works on the other side. I switched the leads on the ohm meter, and what I'm going to do now is pull the trigger again. And I've got very high resistance. And actually, this is after I jiggled that white wire around inside, and you can see it's moving around the case. And actually, where that red lead goes in, where I didn't have continuity problems, the case is broken. So I'm going to probably try to do some 2-part epoxy and then do the same thing I did before, use zip ties to hold this thing together and then put it back in the unit. Actually, I'm a little shocked. The red lead came out, and it looks like it's bladed. That's that you push your connection in there, and then that little silver blade holds the wire in place. I'm going to try to pull that white wire out and see if I've got a problem with the blade that's holding that in, and that's why I wasn't getting continuity before. So even with our best laid plans, I'm not able to fix this, and I can't find a replacement part. You can see it's disintegrating. I've done the soldering on it. Everything is good and tight, but the problem is internal to the switch, and this switch is not serviceable. It's riveted together, and the plastic is so old, it's just not going to stay together if I try to take it apart. So I'm going to list this thing for parts on eBay. Hopefully somebody needs it. It's otherwise a really good heavy-duty drill, and in perfect condition otherwise. It's kind of sad.